One of the most important careers in the industry is often the most overlooked. The driver manager is an essential role in making sure that drivers are running efficiently and staying happy out on the road.
This challenging career isn't for everyone, but those who have a certain set of skills tend to thrive in this career and love doing it. In this video, we will cover 3 ways to succeed as a driver manager.
Stick around to the end and we will give you a resource that goes over 9 skills that you will need to succeed in this role.
Hi, I'm Doug, driver manager for Anderson Trucking Service.
And I'm Jackie. As a driver manager, you work closely with drivers on a daily basis, whether that be over the phone or in person. So let's talk about 3 of the 9 skills you will want to have.
Number 1, communication. Communication is key. You may be talking to a driver over the phone, through an email, or face-to-face. If you don't communicate clearly, it may cause problems. Part of being a great communicator is knowing when an email makes more sense versus a phone call or a face-to-face discussion. As a driver manager, you may be the person that the driver talks to more than anyone else. So you have to be able to listen to them, talk about their day, and likely vent about what they're dealing with. Be empathetic, thank them, show them you care.
Number 2, solve problems. In the transportation industry, things move fast, especially if you're new to it. Things also change quite frequently. Not only will you have to learn how the industry works, but you'll also need to be able to adapt to it when it changes and help your drivers adapt to that change as well. Have a plan A and B, probably even a C and D. For example, you might have a driver assigned to a load when their truck breaks down. How can you get your driver taken care of and make sure the load still delivers on time? Is it a minor fix that can be taken care of quickly? Or will you have to get another driver assigned to the load while you find a maintenance facility for the driver to go to? Don't expect things like this to happen every day, but with a fleet of 35 to 45 drivers to manage, things do happen. How you solve these problems means a lot in this role.
Number 3, influence, coach, manage. The ability to coach drivers might be one of the most important skills to have as a driver manager. How you coach drivers will depend on the type of drivers you have in your fleet though. For example, company drivers are assigned freight by the company and generally they have to accept it and haul it. Your job, in this case, is to influence drivers' opinions about why they are the right solution for the load, why it makes sense for them, and why they should haul it. You could even consider yourself a salesperson or an influencer in a way.
Aside from these 3 very important skills, you will also have such things as prioritize, build relationships, empathy, and more. For the full list of breakdown of the 9 skills you will need to succeed as a driver manager, click the link in the description below. This will take you to an article that gives you all of the information that you will need. On our website, you will also find our Career Success Center, a library full of free resources to help you out with your next career. Thank you and have a great day.